Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all fine and having a very good day. I welcome you all to my channel English Superstars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today we are going to talk about a story with a moral lesson. Now first of all, do you know what is a moral lesson? Alright, it is a lesson that we learn after reading a story. We understand why we should or we shouldn't do such a thing that is mentioned in the story. That is called a moral lesson. So, the story that we are going to discuss today is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Can you see in the picture? The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Let's get started. In a village lived a carefree boy. Carefree means free from responsibilities. In a village lived a carefree boy with his father. The boy's father told him that he was old enough to watch over the sheep while they graze in the fields. Graze means to eat grass in the field. Every day he had to take the sheep to the grassy fields and watch them as they graze. However, the boy was unhappy and didn't want to take the sheep to the fields. He wanted to run and play, not watch the boring sheep graze in the field. So he decided to have some fun. He cried, "Wolf, wolf!" until the entire village came running with stones to chase away the wolf before it could eat any of the sheep. When the villagers saw that there was no wolf, they left muttering under their breath about how the boy had wasted their time. Chase away means forced to go away. Muttering means to say something in a very low voice, that lips partly closed. Alright, so they left muttering under the breath about how the boy had wasted their time. The next day the boy cried once more, "Wolf, wolf!" And again the villagers rushed there to chase the wolf away. So what was he doing? He was basically lying to have some fun. The boy laughed at the fright he had caused. Fright means feeling of fear. This time the villagers left angrily, means they were very angry. The third day, as the boy went up the small hill, he suddenly saw a wolf attacking his sheep. So means now there was actually a wolf. He cried as hard as he could, "Wolf, wolf, wolf!" But not a single villager came to help him. Do you know why? Because the villagers thought that he was trying to fool them again and did not come to rescue him or his sheep. The boy lost many sheep that day, all because of his foolishness. What is foolishness? Stupidity. Because he was lying from the past 2 days, so why would anyone believe him, right? So what is the moral of the story? It is difficult to trust people who lie. So it is important to always be truthful. Isn't it right? We should always be truthful. Never lie. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.